Hey everyone, Tristen with Home by Tristen, and I'm at my new listing here in Rancho Bernardo. I've sold several houses in this neighborhood. It's a really great starter neighborhood. What is so great about it is that it is single family detached homes under 600,000. These homes feature 2-car garages, as you can see from behind me, and they do have a little tiny backyard depending on where they're located. They are right next door to the Rancho Bernardo High School, so there is a lot of opportunity to be able to walk to schools as well as be close to everything.